And we're having a sleepover. That is my house that you did not see that I built. So this is the morning routine of the new daughter. But the parents don't. So they will forever, they will take care of themselves. Oh, this is not a sleepover. This is the one sister. This is the one sister. This is the one sister. This is the one brother. This is the one brother, and this is the sister. This is the brother, and this is the sister too. I don't have any, so don't judge me if I don't have any cabinets because I could not add. I don't know what I'm gonna add because there's too many. It's okay. Okay, let's go. It's early in the morning again. School never gonna go in. It's okay, let me just... What time is it? I'm almost late. It's 8. My school is on 9. Oh my god, let me just go to the bedroom. For a second, that's gonna dry. So it's 1 minute later. Okay, I'm done. Just have a mouthwash.
Si Daniel, kasalukuyang nasa Dragon City Police Bureau.
Toothbrush.
Daniel,
There with the same toothbrush always. Bro,
sino yan?
I'm done.
Herman Gonzalez. Bakit ka nandito?
Ang babae ka. Masyado kang mayabang itong mga nakaraang araw. Dahil sa'yo malaking perang nawala sa akin. Dahil sa'yo.
But I have one thing
Herman
here.
Gonzalez, yun ay patas na laban sa negosyo. Sadyang mahina ka lang talaga.
Hindi ko istindihan ko ng lahat.
Oh,
Isang security guard din wala dito ngayon, di ba? Ngayong gabi. Sisigurado
okay, this is my outfit right now.
tignan natin kung makakapalag ka pa.
And I'm so hoping this is nice. Getting this, and we're ready to go to school. First she's gonna get something on the first floor because her water. Oh my god, her water is in there. Go, Tokapoco. Go. 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 Okay, she don't want to close it.
Saan ka pupunta?
Hindi ba ayaw ka mag-iisa? Hindi ba balik na ako kayo?
Okay, I'm gonna go to school. I'm also gonna see. Oopsies. Oh, what letter is in here right now? Oh my god. Oh, so cute. It says she wants to meet me, and it's the favorite YouTuber. I'm so excited! Yo! Okay, just going to school. crew, you're a bluer. How did just go to morning? Let's go.
Sinuri na namin ang lahat ng CCTV. Hindi lang namin alam kung saan ang bastos na to ng galing.
She's only with the she's only with the school. All her siblings don't have any school, so she's so unlucky. I'm the first one. My teacher is gonna say I'm so early. Okay, just going to the teacher. This is our true teacher here. Here's our teacher. Where is it? Where are you, teacher? This is our teacher. Oopsies. Oh, you're early in the morning.
Umalis na kayo agad. Kundi, ang pipili na
That was insane. Okay, let's go to other classmates. Here's the first classmate. This is the this is the nerd. That's the nerd. And here's the boy. And here's she. Oh, here's the other classmate. I also need this. Okay. 10 minutes later. Okay, it's time for a class. So, oh my god. So, me use my hands. 2 plus 3 plus 22. Because our government did not say the true number. 2 plus 2 is actually 22. 10 minutes later, from school. Okay, you may now remain. Now it's go home now. It's now all done. We're all gonna go to the school. At least I'm here. I'm gonna steal someone's. I'm gonna steal someone's. I'm gonna steal someone's.
Ano yung TikTok?
Wait, I don't know what. I'm gonna steal someone's on their lockers. Okay. Oh, interesting. Yo! Okay, done. Ooh, gum.
Hindi sa dami ng pagkakataon. Pero hindi naman dapat siya mag-prostitution.
I'm done. Let's go to home. Let's go home, guys. Let's go home. I'm just gonna write something. Let's go home. Period. Curiosity.
Hindi mo kailangan paliwanag.
We're just gonna go to the second floor because I don't want to go to the first floor and the second floor again. Oh my god! It's so interesting.
Paglaban ko sa mga tao na woodland na makaila. Nasaktan ka ba?
I'm so sleepy. Let me just go change to my regular avatar.
Pwede mo ba kung samahan po ang sarili niya ng mga kaklase mo? Gusto ko na
Just stealing this. Just steal this. I'm just kidding.
Ikaw ang fiancé ko. Ang fiancé ni Pastor Steve.
Okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm just gonna set everything up. Here's my notebook. Here's my notebook here. Here's my brush here. Here's my other.
Balita ko may fiancé ka na daw. Hindi ko alam kung anong klase na dapat siya para mapakasala ng pinakamaganda sa
Okay, there.
fiancé ko.
Oh, gum.
Siya lang pala yun. Kung hindi na pa sinabi.
Yummy. Just drink some. Just go here. Just gonna finish my gum. 10 minutes later. I'm all done finishing my gum, so I'm just gonna set the music and sleep. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for 3 subscribers. That's all. I really want some subscribers, so subscribe.